Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to get unique products and really high quality printing from Hoplix Print on Demand. And I'm going to show you them over the shoulder, but first we're going to talk about how do you win the print on demand game right now. And high quality brands are the ones that are consistently winning, consistently making sales, building their audiences, building their customer base. And it is expensive to acquire customers in 2022 and beyond. We need to have high quality products. They need to be printed with high quality printers, great inks, and we need to have a final product that gives us a happy customer. Because happy customers are going to mean repeat customers, and it's definitely worth focusing on great quality to get those happy customers, because it's going to simply be cheaper to get them to come back than it would be to acquire a brand new one. So the product quality here is going to play a big role into our sales, our revenue, and overall our profit margin, because the higher quality product we have, the more likely our customers to come back. And there are a lot of different print-on-demand companies out there right now, a ton of different apps. How do you know which one to use? Well, I'm going to show you Hoplix, and really the big benefit from them, the main benefits, you're going to have a unique product catalog that they're always updating. 100 plus different products over here and all ready to go print on demand. But the biggest thing is they ensure every single one of their prints are very high quality, from the inks to the printing process to the actual garments, everything high quality to result in that happy customer, that long-term customer, that consistent brand that every Shopify entrepreneur is shooting for, right? You want to have a brand where people love giving you money every single week or every single month. That's what you could do with Hoplix Print on Demand. So I'm going to show you the app. I'm going to show you the product catalog. We're going to get a product set up inside of the store. You see the link directly below this video. Highly recommended. We'll go over the shoulder right now, and I'm going to show you the Hoplix site first over here. I'm just going to talk about their 100 plus products, 250 plus variants. I'm going to go over the shoulder and show you as we actually install this app and add some product into the store. But it's really simple. We install the app. We create what they call a campaign, basically just a design, and then we're going to have everything else automated, from shipping, tracking, all the fulfillment. They ship to over 50 countries. There's no Hoplix logos or anything like that, totally white labeled, and they're always releasing new products every month. That's my favorite part about this. On top of the great quality, you're always going to have something new to offer your customers, keep them excited, keep your ad costs down. There's never any minimums. This is totally print on demand, and a lot of people, including myself, using Hoplix Print on Demand products. And so we're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you the Shopify app, and we'll get that installed. The Shopify app is called PlixPod by Hoplix. See over here, again, the link directly below this video. And again, you're going to get direct access to all their products in this really easy to use app. All you need to do, press the Add App button. This is going to install the PlixPod by Hoplix Shopify app into our store. All we need to do is just press the green Install App button. And again, it's going to be a no code, no technical skills required setup. And we're going to be brought back into our PlixPod dashboard. Here, you'll either create an account or log in, and you'll be ready to create your first product. Here's our little welcome screen on here. But what you want to do and focus on is coming under the Create Product section. So we're going to come over here. I'm going to show you just how simple this is. We have this really great designer coming over here with Hoplix, and you see that we have our pricing and we have our product. So let's first of all take a look at the catalog. An incredible selection of products over here. Really, really cool and unique. Of course, we're going to have our staple products like our t-shirts and things like that. But let's take a look at things over here like covers. We have all the different iPhone covers over here. We have tons of different posters and canvas. And I know a lot of you focus on canvas prints. This is really powerful. Why? A very high ticket product. Right, you could sell this for $100, $200, $300 depending on the size here. They even have framed and thick canvases. They have 5-piece canvases which work really well. So these are some really great additions to your store that you can get through Hoplix. Come over here under the home furnishings. How about this? A round glass clock, different clock sizes, a piggy bank, ornaments for the holiday season, puzzles which are incredibly popular, calendars, all this really unique stuff, beach towels, of course a huge selection of clothing as well. And you're going to be able to focus on not only the unique products, but your staple products, right? We can come over here into the t-shirt or even the women's cut t-shirt. We'll just do the t-shirt over here, and we can actually be able to go through and get and add our different settings here, just like any other print-on-demand designer, knowing that we're going to end up with a really, really powerful and high-quality print. So I'm going to come over here and upload a print-on-demand design. So of course I had to upload a cat one. And we're going to add it right over here. We can resize this as we see fit. I'm going to stretch this out right over here, go right to the borders, and we're going to get this right over here. We set it onto our black color scheme. We'll go to the next step here. Of course, you could select any of the different colors over here. We're going to come over here and make sure that we're in US dollars over here to make sure that we have the correct pricing set up. We could always change this into the back end as well. Totally flexible for any type of or any currency that's in this list, all the big ones over here. So we'll set our pricing US dollars to be 25 bucks over here and make about $13, almost $14 in profit. We could add more products to the campaign, basically just launching additional styles into the campaign over here. And now we're going to go into the next step over here, product description, product title. So I'll just call this sample LOVE cat shirt. You give it a better title over here. Come over here, it's going to have some really great promotional text in here, marketing text. You could add something like the 3-part product description or any type of descriptive text here to help sell your product. Coming down over here, you can keep these options checked as default. The private campaign is basically set up for Shopify, so you keep this checked up over here. Now we just simply need to press Publish Campaign. And that's really it. We're now going to have this incredibly powerful high-end product in our store. And yes, it's just a t-shirt. You saw the entire catalog, but the difference is this is a very high quality printed t-shirt, one with great, a very solid garment, a high quality ink, high quality print process, finishing, everything that's going to make the customer open this package and completely white label package so you have your branding. Going to open that package and say, okay, this is a high quality brand. I'm already happy with my purchase first impression. It's going to feel great because it's a high quality garment. The ink is going to last. When they go through washes, people are going to come back to my store and say, okay, I want more of the same because it's such high quality. Now under here, last step, we come under here, products to export, and we can have multiple campaigns at once. We're just going to come over here and export this. Basically, this means publishing this out into our Shopify store as a live product with all the settings and of course the design. Here's that sample Love Cat shirt title, all the settings and the design file that we configured. And here's that product right here, that sample Love Cat t-shirt I created. Here's the pricing, here's that description that I edited, and of course our high quality design. And this is going to be that product, like I said, very high quality. You're going to absolutely love the delivery here, and more importantly, your customers are going to love it and come back. Another really cool part of Hoplix is that you could actually create your own white label store directly inside of the platform. So this could actually be separate from Shopify, and this is really great for you to move very quickly, or if you want to test different designs, different niches. We come over here in our account and we go under Store, Create, Manage, and if you already have any stores, you'll see them listed down here. We've created some campaigns, so now we're going to come over here to create a store. And all we need to do is just give it a store. I'm going to call this Justin's T-shirt store, and you can customize the URL. You see it's going to be whatever this URL is. We'll put scener.hoplix.shop. This is going to be the live one. We could put something like ilovecats.hoplix.com or .shop. We're going to come over here. That one was used. So we'll go to Scener. We'll click Create Store. Really, really easy to do that, right? Now our store is created. But you see over here we can personalize the store. We definitely want to do that. We're going to come and personalize the store. Come over here under Actions and Edit Store, and you'll see what we can do here in terms of all the different settings from the Hoplix white label store. This is your Hoplix store editor, and you see that all these different sections over here we can edit all without needing to look at code. And this is really kind of a quick way to get a store up and running. And we can come over here, click Go to Store. This is going to show you what the store looks like right now. Obviously nothing going on yet. We're going to start adding some collections and adding some products. Well, come through here, you can always change your store name. You could add in your support email for people to be able to email you questions and things like that. Make sure you set your currency to make sense. Then you're going to come over here and we'll put cat t-shirts, the perfect place to buy cat gifts. And this will be something for SEO, right? Search engine optimization. You want to put in your keyword, in this case, cat t-shirts for me. And we'll go ahead and update these settings. You could add in description SEO, some keywords here as well. And we're going to go through here. There's all these different setups over here in terms of having our different kind of store settings here. For example, collections, right? Really very similar to Shopify here. These are just different categories. So I made a collection real quick for cat t-shirts. I'm going to go ahead and create this collection. And again, collections are basically just categories here. We could have as many as we want. You could have different pages here as well, like FAQs or branding, about us, all that different stuff. We could have a huge amount of preferences over here in terms of which kind of view we're going to show, whether it's by campaign or by individual product or by individual campaign. We're going to set it to be that way. Come over here, and again, full control over the look and feel. We could upload a logo over here, so I'll put that over here. And we could have all of the different settings over here to kind of give us the branding that we want. Changing our primary color from blue to, let's say we can do something like a purple or a red, right? again, full control over the look and feel as well. We're going to continue to go through here, customize, and we can make our site look the way that we want. I'll do a quick little reload over here. Got our little logo up there, our color scheme that we started to implement over here. So again, you have a lot of branding control, but this is where we started. This is where we're at right now. We're going to continue to go through here. We have all the marketing tools as well. So you could run Facebook ads, Google ads, Pinterest ads, and track everything with Google Tag Manager with the pixels to make sure you're building your audiences and having a really good chance to succeed with ads with all that in here. You could do email upsells, and you could of course print shipping labels as well directly through here. Homepage creation, this is where we can start to actually build our homepage over here, and we could put a little featured collection, we could put latest collection, we could put reviews, right? We could put a search, and we have full control over building out our little homepage. And as we make any changes over here, we'll be able to come back and reload this page over here and see the updates. Again, no products in this store, but that's how easy it is to get up and running. And then when we go ahead and create products, right, just like any other product that we were going to create, come down over here into this product creator. We could literally launch this product or this collection of products directly into our store. So that's Hoplix, and again, highly recommended. Whether you're installing into the Shopify store or building your own white label store via Hoplix, your customers are going to be able to enjoy these really, really high quality prints, these high quality garments, and they're going to return over and over and over because they love it so much. Lots of different options over here with a unique product catalog. So highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, leave a comment. I'll do my best to help you out. Otherwise, jump into Hoplix, and I hope this helps you make some money.